Hello, curious cubs! Welcome back to another exciting episode in our Ingredients of Food series. We've already explored carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins. Today, we are going to meet the tiny giants inside our food minerals. Now you may be wondering, if they are so tiny, why do we call them giants? Well, because even though minerals are required in very small amounts, their roles in our body are huge. They help us grow, stay strong, and keep our organs working properly. Do you know? The word mineral comes from the Latin word minera, meaning something mined from the earth. That's right. Minerals originally come from the soil and rocks, and plants absorb them. Then, when we eat those plants or animals that eat plants, we get minerals too. Let's meet some of the most important minerals in our body. 1. Iron, the blood booster. Iron helps make hemoglobin, the red pigment in our blood that carries oxygen. Without iron, we feel weak and tired, a disease called anemia. Sources: spinach, beans, jaggery, red meat, and green leafy vegetables. 2. Calcium, the bone builder. Calcium makes our bones and teeth strong. It also helps muscles contract and our heart beat properly. Deficiency can cause weak bones and a disease called rickets in children. Sources: milk, cheese, curd, green vegetables, ragi, almonds. 3. Iodine, the neck protector. Iodine controls how our body uses energy through the thyroid gland. Deficiency causes goiter swelling in the neck. That's why we use iodized salt in our kitchen. 4. Zinc, the healer. Zinc helps in wound healing, growth, and making our immune system strong. Deficiency can cause poor growth and frequent infections. Sources: nuts, seeds, whole grains, and beans. 5. Phosphorus. The energy partner works with calcium to build strong bones. Also helps release energy from food. Sources: milk, meat, fish, nuts. 6. Potassium and sodium, the balancers. These minerals control the amount of water and salts in our body. They help our nerves and muscles work properly. Sources: fruits like bananas, oranges, and also salt. Deficiency diseases recap: iron, anemia, weakness, pale skin; calcium, rickets or weak bones; iodine, goiter, neck swelling; zinc, poor growth, weak immunity. But the good news is, all of these can be prevented by eating a balanced diet with variety of foods. So kids, next time when you drink milk or eat spinach, remember, you are feeding your body with these tiny giants who work day and night to keep you healthy and strong. Do you know which mineral is your favorite superhero? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Curious Cubs so you never miss an adventure. Now it's time for a fun quiz. I'll ask 5 questions. Think fast and shout your answers. Ready? Let's go! Q1. Which mineral helps make hemoglobin and carries oxygen in our blood? Answer: iron. Q2. Which mineral is most important for strong bones and teeth? Answer: calcium. Q3. What do we use in the kitchen to make sure we get enough iodine? Answer: iodized salt. Q4. Which mineral helps wounds heal and keeps our immunity strong? Answer: zinc. Q5. Which fruit is a great source of potassium, helpful for muscles and keeping water balance? Answer: banana. Bonus: true or false? Minerals are needed in very large amounts. Answer: false. We need them in small amounts, but they do big jobs. How many did you get right? Type your score in the comments below. In our next video, we'll meet another very special ingredient of food roughage, dietary fiber. The cleaner. Yes, roughage is like a broom inside our body that keeps our digestive system clean and working properly. Sounds interesting, right? Stay tuned! That's all for today's episode on Minerals the Tiny Giants. See you in the next one. Until then, eat healthy, stay curious, and keep shining. Bye-bye, Curious Cubs!